DesiRican squad. Let's go. Today we're gonna teach Jess how to ride a motorcycle. She knows the basic riding around on the first gear, but what we're trying to do is we're trying to teach her how to shift. So hopefully she'll be able to do it. Let's go. Let's see. Thank you for all the support on the last video, guys. I'm trying to make more content that suits your taste, so please keep supporting. She's in my car right now. That's my black Kia Optima, and just like the last time, we are back on my Roadster XL 1200CX. Cleveland streets, dust busted as always. Potholes, rough roads. That's the Cleveland way. And fall is around the corner. So when fall hits, it's going to be even more rough. Hope everyone is staying safe. Keep yourself protected from COVID-19. This has been one hell of a year. Never again, hopefully. It's hot out here. Not as hot as New Delhi, India right now, but still hot. We're going to an open parking lot where people usually go to train, learn how to ride or drive. There's a lot of teenagers who go there to learn, because the age that you get your temps over here, which is a temporary learner's permit, is 16 years. So when kids hit 16 years of age, they go to the local Bureau of Motor Vehicles and get their temporary permit. Almost there, guys. Right there. See that big red sign that says roses? That's where we're going. And you see somebody's already trying to learn how to drive. This woman is freaking out already because they're training over here, and she feels like she's gonna get nervous, or they're gonna get nervous, and they're gonna crash into each other. So we're gonna find a different spot. Let's see.
What the hell happened?
I don't know.
I literally didn't even let this go. What do you mean?
Okay, put it in neutral. Okay, it's in neutral.
This one? Which one?
That one, yeah.
What the hell happened?
Hold the clutch in, put it in first. Give it a throttle.
I don't understand.
Did you put it in neutral?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Give it throttle.
You ain't got no gas.
If there was no gas, it'll show gas.
I don't know, but I don't know what's going on.
Okay, get off. Let me see what's going on. It was acting up because of the gas. There was no gas left in the bike, but it never showed me the sign. Like usually, you know, when a bike is running out of gas, it'll show you fuel light or something, but the fuel light never came up, so that was the problem. We figured it out. That's what matters. We were able to fix it. Now it's fixed. No problems. Let's go.
¿Cuál? Wait, I forgot which one turns on.
First you gotta do this. Wait.
For gas. Ahora. Oh, it's been a while. Ay, cool. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, God. Hold on. Ay. Alright, no time. We just like my motor is on Facebook.